Alright, we're back recording more 4K video on iPods. This is not how I thought it was gonna go at all. And I have a lot of videos to edit for you guys now. Let's open her up. I am really sorry, Mr. 5th Gen. I'm hoping this is not the 5th Gen that I have the box set for, or else I'm gonna be very unhappy. And this doodly-doo goes in here. So this guy goes in first. I believe our hard drive is in. That is not good. That is not good. It booted before. Oh my god, these ribbon cables are so fragile. Oh my god. I don't even know if that's in properly, but we're gonna give it a go again. I hate 5th gens. Okay, so that's not good. So we got the same readings as last time. Let's try with the battery. Again, I don't even know if I seated the hard drive correctly. Oh, fuck. I put the battery in the wrong way. Okay. Those are the sad sounds. So I think it might be because I put the battery in the wrong way. So let's try that again, but this time we will do it the right way. Oh my god, you guys don't know how long these videos are. These videos are like hours. Actual like hours. Okay, okie dokie. Yeah. Third gen. And again, this doesn't reach all the way over because it's a 60G. So shit, how am I gonna do this? Bend it all the way back. Shit. Okay, you're coming out. Well, the platters are spinning. Okay. Okay, yeah, I'm done with this. Fuck, if I just broke my 5th gen, I'll be so mad. Oh my fucking god, I hate these short ass dipshit little cables. I hate them so much. Whoo, Bubby, he is not turning on. Remember, new uploads Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Thursdays, and on the weekends. Get ready because we're going all the way. Have a great day.